Accurately measuring the flow is essential for running plants effectively and safely. Tek-Flux 1400A Electromagnetic Flow Meter. Tek-Flux 1400A Electromagnetic Flow Meter helps measure all conductive fluids. It operates on Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction and can measure volume flow of liquids. Sensor body. It contains 2 electrodes, liner, and grounding rings. Direct mount. It has integral transmitter with sensor body. Converter. It can calculate the total and volumetric flow rate. According to the principle, when a conductive medium passes through a magnetic field, induced voltage is created that is directly proportional to the rate flow. Here is the formula for calculating induced voltage and volumetric flow rate. Tek-Flux 1400A is widely used in applications such as power plants, textile plants, marine, water and wastewater, and other additional markets. Tek-Flux 1400A has exceptional features: high accuracy and stability. It's easy to install and operate. Less maintenance and cost. Used in wide range of pipe sizes and applications. Easy setup with LCD display and push buttons. Tek-Flux 1400A is known for its smart excitation along with multiple signal output and 3 grades password protection.